Hello friends, I am Deepshikha from Shiliguri. My shop is in Shiliguri. Bags are available in both wholesale and retail. My shop, all type of school bag, ladies bag, fancy bag, office bag, blanket cover, luggage bag, folding bags, shopping bag are available. If customers from the hill of Darjeeling, Kashiang, Kalimpong and Nagaland, Tripura, Mizoram place an order, transportation is provided. If anyone wants to order, they can WhatsApp on WhatsApp number. You can also visit the shop. My shop is located below the Bidhan Rai statue. If you have not subscribed to my channel, subscribe now. Please subscribe now and press the bell icon. If you like this video, please be sure to like it and share it. Thank you for watching.